Hello, Sean here with something unusual. We're going to do an unboxing. Now, I've been buying Acid Rain stuff since it came out, and as you can see behind, there's quite a few. This isn't even all of them. And here we have the Forseti soldier. Now, with this release, they included a plastic case, which is going to be the norm for all current ones. Still padded, so it's going to arrive intact. Nice solid plastic. Now the case itself is in scale with the Laurel, so it can be lugged about. Now you can use this case for all sorts. So it's polybagged. There he is. Don't need that. It smells good, not that that is relevant. Now the forseti are mountain troops, which is why it's all covered with snow. It's heavily armoured. Kind of makes me think of some kind of like ODST or Starship Trooper type thing. Just as posable as what we've come to expect, which is good. It's nice to see consistency in a line like this. Uses the same body that all the other figures do, just with different accessories and armour. Visor lifts off. The head comes out. One moment. And there he is, unhelmeted. Alright, so the neck joint's a little loose on this one, but that's neither here nor there. Now I will just grab the good old Soul Commander. A little bit taller. But that's because of the armour. Normal feet underneath. This shoe thing will fit on any other. So now you've got some Bigfoot wannabe. Detail's pretty good, I'm happy with it. Well, that would be nice to see it without snow. Figure does fit other accessories from the line. It's going to have some issues posing. Yeah, overall pretty happy with it. Just another one to the collection, and as always I do appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed this little look at the Acid Rain Forseti soldier. There should still be one or two floating around. I know that most figures do sell out pretty quick, but I'd go for them. But then obviously I have